All right, so this is fraction, addition, subtraction, select a basket level 5 from STMath. And I have never played this, so you're going to watch me figure it out. Although I have done a few of these with Jiji on a bicycle, and I know a whole one, it'll get him to here. And this looks like, oh, maybe a third of one. And then this is a backwards quarter. So I know, I'm going to do a little trick here. I know if this was a quarter, that this one and this one cancel each other out, because a positive quarter and a negative quarter is a 0, right? They're opposite. It's a 0 pair. So really all that I have left is a whole and a little bit. So what I like about this is, you know, the basket's a little big. So all I know is it's more than 1. It's definitely not 1.5. So I know that'll work. It's an estimate. All right, so use my handy dandy little thing. This negative 1/2, or go back a half, this go back a half and this go forward a half, cancel each other out, so that all that's left is go forward a quarter. So I'm going to go all the way here. This is half. Meh, that's a quarter. Let's see how that works. So I'm trying to find things that cancel each other out, so I only have to count forward because there's not much negative. So can you see what I'm going to cancel out from each other? I'm going to say that this shape matches this shape, because a quarter is a quarter no matter where it is. So a negative and positive quarter make a 0. So all I have left is a half a circle and a whole a circle, or a whole circle. I'm being silly. Oh, 1 whole and a half. One and 3/4 minus a quarter is 1 and 2/4. I could have thought of it that way. Can you see what I'm going to cancel out on each side? Of course you can. Here's a half going red, which is backwards, and a half going forwards. So all that's left is, that's not a quarter, right? It's less than a quarter and a whole. So it's a whole one and then something that's less than a quarter. So a whole one and something less than a quarter. We'll just set it there. Ta-da! Find your 0 pairs. Find things that are opposite. Get rid of them, because they're not going to change it. It'd be like you having $5 and you did a chore, and you know your parent gave you $10, and then you went to the store and spent $10. You're back to $5. Like you got it and you gave it away. Gone. So we're always looking for things to cross out. So this one's a little bit trickier, but I am going to show you that right here, I can estimate I have a quarter and a quarter. And then I have to realize, maybe a little sliver here I get rid of, and this little sliver. So all that's left, right? Can you see what's left? All that's left is this part of the blue. So it's more than a half, not more than a half, more than a quarter, less than a half. That's what I meant to say. So I'm going to come down here, and I know I'm going to go a quarter, not quite a half. Let's see how that works. This is estimating, and I want you to be able to find the matching parts that make 0 and don't matter, right? That's my big idea. And here I might even do something a little different, because I know that's this beautiful quarter. And I am just going to draw this little thing. And now it's this and this make a quarter. I can do that. Sure. No matter where the quarter is, they match. This is that same problem we just had. It's more than a 1/4, but less than a half. So let's see if we can do that. More than a 1/4, but less than a half. It's an estimate, boys and girls, this is what we're doing. And finally for this one, this will be the last one. Look here, you can see again, if I draw a line here, that this quarter and this quarter cancel out. All that is left, a whole and 1/4. So a whole and a quarter, and we're done. I'm not even gonna watch Jiji because I knew it worked. All right, I hope that helped for, this is select basket for fraction addition and subtraction. This is level 5.